As the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee finalizes their committee report, some revisions have been made. This includes recommending those involved be investigated instead of the original recommendation to file charges. Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla raises concerns over this revision, calling it as politics only. I have more on this report gathered by Rod Lagusad. Politics only. This is how Ombudsman Jesus Crispin Remulla views the revision of the draft committee report of the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee, where the initial recommendation was to file cases against several senators allegedly involved in the issue of anomalous flood control projects. It is now only being recommended that they be investigated. Earlier, the draft mentioned Senator Jinggoy Estrada, Joel Villanueva, and Chis Escudero.
Ano na yan eh? What is acceptable to all or to most is the most important thing. Kasi nga, nagkakapersonalan, siyempre may mga kaibigan yan sa loob na pipirma, wag lang nalagay yung pangalan. Gano'n yan. May negotiation yan. May compromise yan.
Despite this, Remulla stressed that what is important is that their names and records will remain part of the draft. The Office of the Ombudsman had earlier met with the Senate in connection with the draft committee report.
Mahalaga yun eh, kasi nagis na namin ang maraming kaso at nagkaroon kami ng laman sa kaso dahil sa Blue Ribbon Committee hearings. Doon naglalabasan yung maraming facts at maraming testigo. So, dapat igalang talaga ang Blue Ribbon when it comes to that. No? Yung trabaho namin naman does not rely on the Senate. Nakagkataon lang na maganda yung mga sinimulan ng Blue Ribbon Committee.
Remulla emphasized that they are focused on the weight of the evidence that they can obtain, which he said helps guide the course of the investigation, the questions that still need to be asked, and how these will be presented as evidence. From the said draft Blue Ribbon Committee report, he said the testimonies of the witnesses, now state witnesses, are important. He said these should not avoid any topic and that one of the possible actions is the revocation of their status as state witness. He added that many are willing to testify, but each one must first be developed or go through the proper process. Remulla also clarified his statement, telling Senate President Tito Soto III not to worry about his position.
Parang joke yan, pero hindi talaga siya joke. Siyempre, pag may warrant of arrest, aarestuhin. Tsaka meron kami arresting teams. Totoo naman yan eh. Sa mga dapat arrestin. Kasi sa legal system natin, within our legal system.
According to Remulla, the Office of the Ombudsman Strategic Planning in Baguio is part of their preparation for what he called a big push, especially as the cases are now ripening. He said the coming months will be exciting and much awaited, with many tasks that still need to be done. This is Sharms Espina from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.